When there are so many issues, if anyone makes up his own mind, this is what I think, that is what he thinks, time has changed, the ground has changed, can such a thing happen? When times change, the provisions change. Which issue is that? It was being eaten on the ground. Then it was placed on the meal table for a while. Now there are tables and so on. The man sits at the table and so on. These things are customs. Nothing changes about halal, haram. Things about custom change. There he is wearing a robe. The other one is in a cold place and he's wearing a thick robe. He is cold. He has made the collar thicker. These are customs. Our father Ali Haidar Effendi said that the collar is a custom. Because this does not refer to the halal haram of Sharia. When times change, the provisions change. Which one is about custom? The law of Sharia does not change. The words of Abul Mali Hazra. If times change, the rulings are the rule of the Masal. But what is it about? On the point that is open to change. Halal and haram are not related, about which there is no nafs. If there is no verse, no hadith, no ijma, no qiyas ufukaha, it would be a subject that is outside of the adil-i sharia. He says that if you say that the ruling changes according to this time, if it conflicts with the nas, there will be no sharia, no religion, no faith, no Qur'an, no sunnah. Can such a thing be said? How does it change? Abul Mali says, everyone is like this according to this time, like that according to this place. My heart is pure. Then I can look at this woman and hold her hand. Another one says, this man is pure. He can sit with my daughter and my wife. He can eat and drink. There's no such thing. Can everyone make their own judgment? Does it change according to the man? Does it change according to the time? Does it change according to the person? Does it change according to the situation? It does not change. Which haram can be halal? Which halal can be haram? Which of Allah's laws can be rejected? The one who rejects it becomes an infidel. Oh my Allah, we entrust our hearts and our faith to Allah. May Allah protect us, because we encounter such situations that we are amazed. He says sentences that the smartest man, the most atheist would not say. He writes in his column, we wonder how this man became like this. That is, Allah is the one who leads astray, and Allah is the one who guides. There used to be a sickness in his heart too. He found an opportunity, so he got out of it. Stay away from the people of bid'ah or you will burn.